Morning peeps. Yep, it's my lantern press. I know I love postcards, so, well, first of all, look at this. I'm getting filled up here. This is for that. The world awaits. That's the bingo that she's playing, and every week she sends out a word. It's awesome. I don't know why I'm so enthralled with it, but I am. Okay, so this is for the lantern press. This is a great envelope. I'm keeping the envelope. I didn't booger it, so I can do that. Okay, so this is what we look like here. And a little thing that says thank you. I am always so loving these. Oh, how very cool. It's a handbag hook. If you go into restaurants and stuff, you set it on the table and then your purse can hang on it instead of setting it on the floor. You see, look at there. I've had one for years that I never use. It's totally cool though. I'm trying to decide, am I going to keep this? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. This is from the Patreon site. There'll be a link if you guys are interested in signing up for her subscription. I think it's reasonable. It's the July Lantern Press monthly surprise and bonus item, which is, this is the bonus item. I mean, this in itself is quite expensive if you've ever looked. So this alone practically pays for the subscription. And she tells me to have a fantastic month. Okay, so here's July. We're in July, right? Oh, yes. Yes, please. We are in July. Oh, cool. Let's see if we can get these open and gawk at them. I so love postcards. Old Faithful, I have been there. This is Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming. This is the Old Faithful Geyser. Is that not the coolest? North Carolina, I have been there. State Abstract Watercolor. That is totally cool. Ooh, that's cute. This is Wales. This is Orca. It's an Orca lithographed. That is very beautiful. St. Louis, Missouri. I have been there. This is the old courthouse. I have been up in this thing, the arch. The arch, do you see it? See the arch here? I have been up in there. My brother used to live in St. Louis. So, the old courthouse. That's pretty cool. Shell Beach, California. Now, I have not been to, I've been to California, but not Shell Beach. I would love to go there. Coast at the Shell Beach, California, Coast at Sunset. Look at, there's a little opening in that. Is that not the coolest ever? I like that. Yes. Let's see, what would be my favorite? Oh, that's tough. Maybe this one, just because it's so abstract and off the wall. We're gonna go with that one today. North Carolina, you are awesome. That was fun. That's it, peeps. My Lantern Press subscription. I hope this finds you absolutely flamazing. Go check on her link down below. She also has a website in she has an eBay store and sells lots of goodies. So go check them out. I hope this finds you absolutely flamazing. Stay blessed. Until next time. Hey, you made it to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.